Hey guys, it's Wheel Collectors here, and we are doing a case opening of a super special Star Wars Starships Commemorative series. We're super lucky, we're one of the first to have this. Go ahead and open this. So we've got the Naboo Starfighter. And we've got Boba Fett's Slave 1. We've got the Republic Attack Gunship. We've got Obi-Wan Kenobi's Jedi Starfighter. Then we've got Darth Vader's TIE Fighter. And one cool thing I want to point out is if you collect all 9 of these, you actually will be able to put the pieces together and build your very own Death Star. So that's super cool. That's something that we haven't seen before. And then that wraps up that case opening.